You and two friends have just finished a great meal and the bill has arrived. You plan to split the bill into 3 parts. You take a look at the amount. It's $47. At this point you think, can I split 47 into 3 parts? Now for most of us, the only way to find out is to actually divide 47 by 3. But are there easier ways of doing this? Yes, there are, and this is what I am going to talk about. Let's start with a simple example. When is a number evenly divisible by 2? Well, if a number ends in 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, it is evenly divisible by 2. 16, for example, satisfies this criteria. So does 105,348. 13 on the other hand does not. Now let's look at divisibility by 3. If the sum of a number's digits is evenly divisible by 3, then the number 2 is divisible by 3. So let's look at our bill amount again. It was $47, right? 4 plus 7 equals 11. Is 11 divisible by 3? No, it's not. So 47 too is not divisible by 3. However, 48 is divisible by 3 since its digits add up to 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So instead of using 47 as the bill amount, you could have used 48. This would mean that each of you contributed $16. Now let's look at divisibility by 4. If the last 2 digits of a number are 0 or are evenly divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. This is pretty cool, right? Why, you ask? Okay, let's say we have a large number, 9,537,724. So all you have to do is look at the last 2 digits. In this case, it's 24. 24 is divisible by 4, and so is my large number. Now divisibility by 5 is easy. If the number ends with 0 or 5, it is evenly divisible by 5. Now let's look at divisibility by 6. If a number is even and the sum of its digits divisible by 3, then the number is evenly divisible by 6. Now that was a lot of words, so let me explain. Here's a sample number, 23,754. We first ask ourselves, is the number even? Yes, it is. Now let's add its digits. 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, 17 plus 4 is 21, and 21 is evenly divisible by 3. Since both conditions are true, it implies that 23,754 is evenly divisible by 6. Let's look at 2 more cases. When is a number evenly divisible by 8? In this case, you need to look at the last 3 digits of the number. If they are all 0 or they are evenly divisible by 8, so is the number. So here's our example. 737,648. As you can see, the last 3 digits are not 0. But are they divisible by 8? Let's find out. Yes, they are. Thus 737,648 is divisible by 8. Finally, when is a number divisible by 9? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So is 72 divisible by 9? Yes, it is. What about 111,111,111? Well, you have 5 seconds to find out. We covered a lot of ground here, so I'm going to summarize this with a chart. So this brings us to the end of the session. But wait, you say, what about divisibility by 7 And 10, 11, hey, what about 13? Good questions. We will look at these solutions in other videos, so please stay tuned. But do leave a comment and let me know what you thought of this video. I would love to hear from you. So goodbye, take care, and don't forget to practice.